Ladies and gentlemen,
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, this project that we are going to discuss is Habit Planner. It's a multi-year annual habit tracker, which I have built it. It's in the Google Sheet. It is also compatible to use with the Excel as well. Here is how we will learn how to use it. Simply, first of all, need to select which year you are working now. Now, currently it's 2026. Uh, from which date you are starting? Yeah, as today, is, April, March, May, whatever. Like today, I just select today's date, and date is 31 December 2026 of this year. So it will auto-populate anything. First of all, anything which you are not supposed to edit, you will once you will edit it, a pop-up will appear. Like here was the formula, I have changed it. Here, heads up. You are trying to edit part of the sheet that should not be changed accidentally. Edit anyway? No, I don't want to edit. Cancel. So it will not change. Simply. Rest, you need to enter all your daily habits. I have written few: wake up at 5, go to gym, go to porn. Any other habit you want to add or you want to change them, simple. You need to click it. You need to change it. You want to go to club, go to gym or whatever. So it is simple. And now you need to enter monthly goal of that habit, that particular habit. 25, 15, in every month, whatever you want to edit. You want to write. In April, I want to go to gym for 25 times, not 30 times. Uh, 25 times. Like phone, I will cut out daily. I will not watch it. So 30, like reading, learning, you need to enter all the goals. It will auto show up here. Month will auto show up here. Days left of each month. Like now, 20 days of April are left. It's 10 hours, so 20 days left. Now, next is where you need to edit, you need to track, you need to record your habits. Like in any month now, it's April month, so we'll come to this. It's April habit tracker. Date will auto show up, and date will auto show up. Days left, daily habits 15, and daily habits goals are 411. So simple. Daily habits are 15. These are number of habits are 15. Daily habit goal is 411. Overall in month, this is a goal of month. So complete our remaining, we have not record any habit yet. So it's 10 April today. I will simply, I wake up at 5. Yes, I woke up. I go to gym. Yes, I went. Yeah, cut out phone. Yes. Learning. Yes, I have read 2 pages. Budget tracking. You need to track it. It's on 12 will be this. Yesterday I also went there. So simply I will click on these things. You need to just check the check boxes. Read 20 pages, read 20 pages. So I will click on it. Yes, I have read it. Goal journaling. Yes, I went. So this all will auto show up here. The momentum percentage, the daily progress, the weekly progress, monthly progress for the complete month. This data is for the complete month. Top 5 habits are here. Active streaks are here. The daily progress is there. You see, wake up at 5, but 13.32% got completed. Only as you have entered, you have recorded 2 habits only in week 2. You will enter in like same in week 3, week 4, like this. So here you can see the daily progress in week 1. 2 days, 6 habits done, completed daily. One progress, one habit done, completed weekly 12. In this week, I have completed 12 habits. Weekly goal was 95. So here is the completed. This is the progress chart of each week. So this is monthly. Same here in May, June, and all the months: September, October, November, December. Uh, here comes the annual habit tracker. This is actually the dashboard. Once you will complete all the months, you will track, you will record your daily habit progress in all the months. Annual habit tracker. This is the dashboard. In this tab, you will only see which habit has got completed, which not. Like it's 2026, I have selected it. In 2027, I will click 27, 0, no habit done. So 2026, here in January, no habit completed. In February, 24 by 15 got completed. It's take. March, 0, April done, May done, June. Well, it is just to show you that once you will record uh, uh, all your all your habits in every month, this data will show up here. Like this habit, wake up at 5, got completed 96%. See, only 1 month you have not completed any, so it got completed 96%. Rest is 39%. Next habit is 54% got completed. This wake up at 5 254 got completed out of 262. Next at 131 by 334, 171 by 311, like this. See, and here are the top habits, highest to lowest. Like wake up at 5, yes, 96%. Cold shower is second number, 56%, 54%. Budget tracking, 52%. So this is the way. Overall progress of momentum is 34%. Monthly progress 34%. Quarterly progress 56%. Total progress 34. So the start date of this year was 1 January, 31st December, days left 265 out of this. Total got completed 163, was 1673, but remaining 300, 3210. And daily habits goal was 4883. So total daily habits were 15. This. See, it is very simple. One more thing I forgot to mention, like in every month, in April month, see, we completed the 15 habits. Remaining 396 out of daily habit goal was 411. Last tab is left, weekly program. The weekly program, here you need to enter the start of the week. For example, it's April 2026. From next week, I want to record the progress of weekly progress. So I want to start my week from Monday or Sunday. Select the date 15, Monday 13 April. Complete week will show up here. I see Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and here. Wake up at 5. Here you will come from like I selected the start of the week. I want to select any date. It's on you. Like today, I will select the today's date. From Friday, I want to start the week. All right, not Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I want to start the week from Friday. See, 10 April. Simply wake up at 5. Yes, I woke up. It's actually at night you have to record your progress. I went to gym as well, and so from no plan of the day, plan the day. Yes, I done it. Read 20 was not done. Social media, yes. Cold shower also, yes. So auto, this progress will be shown up. Like Friday, 5 got completed. This is the complete weekly habit tracker. Like Friday, gym went to gym. Saturday, simple. It's very simple. Rest progress will auto show up.